Hello everyone, Rusty Shepherd here. Some of y'all may know that I took this old oil lamp from this old gasoline powered blowtorch from the 30s or 40s, or I'm not really sure how old it is, to be honest with you. And because I could not get it to become a torch again because there were some pieces missing, I modified it into a lamp. And I was able to get this flicker bulb into the mouth housing where the flame would come out on the torch. And when I was able to do that, I was able to get that burning flame right there, which looks pretty cool. So that's neat. But the issue is that several comments have come across on the video that the lampshade is wrong. It's not mechanical enough or masculine enough to go with this piece of equipment here. And I think that that's correct. So I spent all day trying to find a lampshade that would fit. There isn't anything out there. So what I've decided to do is modify this copper bowl. It's a copper bowl. I'm going to modify it, turn it into a lampshade into a lampshade to put on this so it will match more with what it is. Colors will be the same, it's metal. You know, it looks a lot more industrial. So I'm going to put a hole through it, hook these all back together on it so it clips over the bulb. Let's get this show on the road. I've already found the center. Did some measurements and found the dead center on this, which is right there. Just going to put a ding in it, just so there's a place for the drill bit to start. Drill bit matches what's going to go inside. There we go. It'll actually thread now since it's just lightweight metal. Alright. Keep her on top. Crank it down a little bit. Let's just see if this looks any different or any better or any whatever than it was looking with the other piece on it. Let's kill the lights. But that is going to be a lot better than it was. Come on, there you go. Let me know what you think about how it came out. Let me know in the comments below if that's a better looking deal there than this other one. I think it looks better. Just let me know what you think. Alright everybody. Y'all take care. Be good to each other. Rusty Shepherd, out.